This is Pat O'Connor with the O'Connor Law Firm. And today what I want to do is I want to talk to you about certain documents that you need to have in place that help in the event that you become sick or unable to maybe pay your bills or make medical decisions. The first document I want to talk about is what's called a durable power of attorney. What is that? It's a document whereby you appoint somebody to act on your behalf to handle your financial affairs. And the person you appoint could be a spouse, for example, or it could be a child, or it could be a brother, or mother, or father, anybody that you trust, basically. And what that durable power of attorney does is it allows that person, let's say that you had a stroke, or you're in the hospital in a coma, or you have Alzheimer's, or name a calamity. And what that durable power of attorney allows that person to do that you've appointed is to pay your bills, sign your tax returns, buy things, sell things, represent you in front of governmental agencies like Social Security, Medicaid, Medicare, whatever. But it allows that person to act on your behalf from a financial standpoint. And by having that, you get to choose who does that, and then that's important. I'm going to leave it there for a second because I want you to watch this video because I want to talk about the next document you need to have. So this is a teaser. Just stay with me for another minute or two. The other document that you need to have is what's called a Health Care Surrogate. All right, and with a living will designation. And what a health care surrogate is, it's a medical power of attorney which allows somebody to make medical decisions for you. It could be your spouse, it could be a child, it could be a friend, it could be a neighbor, it could be a brother, a sister, a mother, father. You need to sort of figure out who you can trust to make those medical decisions if you're unable to do so. And why is that important? If you're unresponsive, who's going to make the medical decision as to whether you should have surgery or certain types of medication? Who do you want to have make that decision? With all the privacy rules that are out there, it's important to have somebody appointed that can get access to your medical records and talk to your doctors and talk to your healthcare providers. So having this document along with what's called living will designation, what is that? Well, it's basically a pull the plug type of provision, where if you don't want to be hooked up to a respirator and you're at the end, it allows somebody to make that decision to pull that plug and let you go peacefully. So here's the teaser. Why is this important? Well, first of all, both of these documents can be amended at any time. So as life changes, if you decide, well, I don't want this person to make financial decisions or whatever, medical decisions, you can always change it. But the important thing with regards to that is this. If you do not make that choice, the courts will. And we have this process called guardianship. And what is guardianship? It's where the courts go in, have a hearing, which costs money, and declare you incompetent, and appoint somebody to be in charge of your life, both financially from a healthcare perspective. And the courts basically declare you incompetent, which means that you might not have the ability to enter into contracts anymore, or vote, or do any of those things. And the courts might even pick somebody that you don't even know to now be in charge of your life. So by having the power of attorney and the healthcare surrogate, it allows you to make that choice, not the courts, but you make that choice as to who you want to have be in charge of your affairs. So keep that in mind. Guardianships are very expensive. Lawyers love doing them because, well, it's very expensive and lawyers get paid a fee. So if you have any questions about these documents, my name is Pat O'Connor. It's the O'Connor Law Firm. My phone number is 727-539-6800. Again, that's 727-539-6800. My email is pat, P-A-T, at yourpersonalattorney.com. That's spelled out, Y-O-U-R, personal, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L, attorney, A-T-T-O-R-N-E-Y.com. Give us a call if you have any questions or if we can help you in any way. Other than that, stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.